Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another Dior unboxing. I wrote myself a little message here. This is where they put your bill. So this is the little pouch you get with all the samples. So I got the miniature Sakura. So I spent $150. When you spend $150, you can get one of these miniatures. Then I got another Sakura. What do you call this? Sample. Another sample. These were only $20. I'm saying only. For Dior standards, it's only. So Dior Forever cushion powder. I needed like extra couple of bucks to get that the promotion, which is this. It's like sort of like a vinyl, kind of reminds me of like you know, like when you get a boob job and there's like the silicone. Yeah, so it's pretty big. I'm happy with this because I can actually put makeup, because you can wipe it. It says Dior here. It says CD here, only on one side. What's in here? The silica pouch, silica gel pouch. Yeah, inside it's also like silicone. So what I got the Glow Face Palette. I'm excited because I don't have any highlighter that's like white or pink. They're mostly like shades of brown, light, dark highlighters, so I don't have these. I'm excited. I also got, oh my god, super, I don't have any purple glow powder. What is it? Couture Luminizer powder, highlighting powder. So super cute. Yeah, like that. Oh my god, I'm excited. So the purple is used to like highlight your like T-zone or under eye, around the eye area, like a little bit, you know, like it's in makeup classes, that's what you learn. Use purple to like highlight, to put light, not really highlight, but just to lighten up, brighten up an area. All right, so that's all for the unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye. Oh, and PS, I put everything that I ordered in the pouch. So my highlighter and my luminizer and the cushion, like the powder cushion, I couldn't fit the samples and the miniature because it was like making this look wobbly, and just like I'm scared it's gonna break the zipper. But yeah, so this is how much it fits in this pouch. Okay, I was able to close it, but it's really hard to close with one hand. There you go. So, you know, it's pretty substantial. That's all I wanted to say. All right, toodaloo.